Let's go. So I start tacking it all into place. As you can see, it doesn't take too much. Like I said, I did that bottom piece. The top piece I tacked in the bottom pieces on bottom underneath, and then I just started making splines up to it in between the tire. That way it has some space and everything. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm just going to keep going through, reinforcing this as much as possible. You know, I'm just attaching it straight to the frame. It's not going to hurt nothing. I'm going to actually form it. I'm going to leave it on here. I'll form all my panels, and then I'll pull the whole thing off. But yeah, so that's probably about it for today. Like I said, I'll come back and I'll start reinforcing this more. But yeah, on the next video, I'll be starting to work into the seat area. Probably underneath where the oil tank's gonna go and all that stuff, and then we'll start working into the gas tank. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get it all wire formed out first, and then once it's all fully wire formed out and ready to go, then I'll start making panels for everything. But yeah, like I said, until next time, if you're into this kind of stuff, it's gonna be a really cool build. Like, subscribe, you know, that way I can keep doing this stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. All right, till next time.